Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure foreign tax credit calculations with FreeTaxUSA detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring foreign tax credit calculations with FreeTaxUSA, open the FreeTaxUSA website. Log into your account or create a new one if you do not have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Federal Taxes. In this section, locate the option for Deductions and Credits. Click on Deductions and Credits to access the relevant forms. Scroll down until you find Foreign Tax Credit. Select the option to start the foreign tax credit process. You will be prompted to provide information about foreign income. Input the total amount of foreign income earned during the tax year. Next, the program will ask for details regarding foreign taxes paid. Enter the amount of foreign taxes you paid to the respective foreign countries. Make sure to specify each country and the corresponding tax amounts. After entering the foreign taxes, FreeTaxUSA may ask if you want to claim the foreign tax credit or deduct it. Choose to apply for the foreign tax credit to take advantage of any benefits. The software will guide you through the necessary calculations based on your inputs. Review the information to ensure accuracy before proceeding. If applicable, designate whether the foreign income is passive or general. Follow any additional prompts as the program calculates your credit. Once completed, FreeTaxUSA will display your potential credit amount. Review this amount carefully, ensuring it aligns with your financial documentation. After confirming the details, proceed to finalize and submit your tax return. Save and print a copy of your return for your records. You have now successfully configured foreign tax credit calculations using FreeTaxUSA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.